So I recently took 100 days of code challenge, and today is my day 40. And so far I've learned some cool things in JavaScript, some cool things in CSS, and some cool things in HTML. I've been able to work with APIs, fetch requests, and all the stuff, manipulating the data from the API and displaying them on the screen. So what I have here is a Next.js project I was working on within the 100 days of code challenge, and the goal was to build a portfolio website, just a simple portfolio website for myself, since I don't have a portfolio website, but we have a website which is Code with Crest, and Code with Crest is a site which is built with WordPress, and we know WordPress is a content management system. So it will be better for us to get something using direct programming. So that's why I went in to build this portfolio website. So as you can see here, it's just like Next.js with other components of which I added to it. So if I open the folder over here, so it is a portfolio. So if we come over here to Next.js folder, so we enter the next folder over here. So I just try to close this. So this is the next portfolio, and in the next portfolio you can see over here we have the components folder, which have the JSX components, which we have the about page, we have the course, the carousel, we have the contacts, we have the download. Sorry, the download, I couldn't put it in form of a JSX because I was still trying to manipulate it in such a way that the JavaScript will kind of be automatic or interactive in such a way, and adding React codes to it was kind of difficult because the way I wanted it to appear, or the kind of interaction I wanted, wasn't going. So we have the main.jsx, we have the navbar, and we have the project.jsx, we have the skills. So in the pages folder, we just have the app.js, the underscore app.js.js, and the index.js. In the public folder, we just have the assets and the document, which the document is my CV, and also we have other stuffs over here. So the other things we don't take almost into consideration. As you can see here, this is the site and it is fully responsive. You can click over here to open the navigation bar, where I have my name at the top. I have let's build something legendary together. So I have the home, the about, the skills, the project, the contacts, and also you can also connect with me using LinkedIn, GitHub, email, and just my contact. So you can close the nav from here on the first here. So it's a one-page site. So here you just have something that talks about myself, and when you scroll down, you have my about section that talks about me. So you have my picture over here and it talks about me. So who am I, all those stuff. So you can check out the skills section. So here is the skills section. For now, HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, React.js, not that much, and Next.js, also not that much. Since I recently took these two frameworks on my 100 days of code challenge, so I'm on my day 40 and I think I'm really doing great. So with all these guys, I'm just trying to track my workflow so far and share with you guys on my channel. And also I'll be guiding you guys on the step-by-step ways of which you can also build this, provided I learn well in such a way that I can tutor to you guys without any difficulties. So I have here is a carousel, and there's one thing I like about Next and React.js. They basically have just libraries that you can just install, and then you copy the code and then you edit and add any stuff you want, like the image carousel, depending on you. So I would really love you guys to try out all these frameworks because it's very good. This is a slider that took me less than 10 minutes to build, of which is something that we're using JavaScript. I usually take close to 30 minutes to build a slider such as this. So I have my connect with me, which is the contact me section. You can basically input your name, your email, your message, and you submit over here. As you can see, it's already trying to pull the request and everything. So you can also download my CV over here. You can download over here. As I'm hoping you're already seeing, is linking to cv.pdf. So you click on this, it's gonna download. So that's basically all this. And if I increase here, you see it is fully responsive. This, and if I kind of reduce it, you see that the navigation bar kind of changes also, so it is fully responsive, as you can see. So thank you guys, and you guys should await for good content on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, because I'll be dropping you guys some cool things that you can do with just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. There are some videos I recently posted on this channel about some 2 template website of which I just built. It was just the front end, like the landing page of the site. One was the eBoost, and the other one was like a digital agency website, and the other one was kind of in form of a house rental website. So I'll be guiding you guys on how I build this, and in 2 videos we'll build it. I'll try to make it as short and simple as possible for you guys to grab something out of this. Please, if you haven't followed or subscribed to this channel, do so by subscribing now and turn on the notification bell not to miss out from every video in which we drop in this channel. Thank you guys. This is Yufkal from Code with Crest, and see you guys in our next tutorial.